Hey, so today I'll share a little bit about if you want to fly to me to have an in-person session, how we can make that the easiest and most convenient possible for you. So I'm about 20-minute drive from the Philadelphia International Airport. So fortunately, having a large airport can sometimes get quite inexpensive flights here. We can do a session any day, any time that works for you, so that allows us, or would allow you, to find a flight sometimes that's less expensive during the week, or a season that's less expensive. You can also schedule it quite a bit ahead of time. So you could do a same-day flight, flying in and flying out the same day, to avoid any cost for you of getting lodging in the Philadelphia area. You don't have to rent a car. You probably don't have to pay any baggage fee because you could just take a carry-on. Either you can come to my space for the session, again just about a 20-minute drive away, and you can take public transit to get there. You can take an Uber. I could possibly pick you up at the airport, take you here, share a session, and drop you back off if you'd like. Or if you prefer, you're totally welcome to rent some kind of lodging, hotel, motel, Airbnb. Some of them can be quite inexpensive depending on the timing. You can get a good deal. And you could either, and I can come to you and share a session at any of those locations. I feel really comfortable with that. And you can also get a lodging that's like right near the airport. So I think some of them have like a free shuttle that takes you right from the airport to your lodging and back. So yeah, it can be pretty easy for you. An idea, and some people choose to make it like a vacation as well, because Philadelphia is a really wonderful area to visit. Got a lot of great historic stuff, festivals, different things going on. So if you're interested in any of this at all as a possibility, please reach out to me. My email is below in the description. Email is great. And I'd be happy to answer any questions. You can post a question below in the comments. If you find any of these videos helpful, you can like them and subscribe. You can subscribe using that red button. I'll be definitely coming out with more videos. So if you do any or all that, that'd be awesome. Thank you.